Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to track affiliate conversions in Google Tag Manager in 2025. So let's get into it. Step 1. Start by opening your Google Tag Manager dashboard. Go to Tags and click New. Step 2. For tag type, select Google Analytics GA4 event. If you are using Universal Analytics, use that instead. Step 3. Set the event name to something like affiliate underscore conversion and define your event parameters, such as source, campaign, or product ID. Step 4. Go to Triggers and choose Page View or a custom conversion trigger, such as visiting the thank you page. Step 5. Save the tag and publish your container. Finally, test it using Google Tag Assistant or GTM preview mode. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.